Hi, this is my 2001 Silverado that was stolen. I'm gonna be cleaning this piece of crap up. You trashed the whole thing. Gonna clean it up so I can get ready to sell it. They stole the radio, messed up the ignition. They stole my wheels. They put some janky wheels on it. They stole the cats. See underneath, all the cats, both cats are gone. They stole that. Yeah, but they left the engine and pretty much just trashed it. So all I'm gonna do is gonna clean it up. Get ready to sell it. I'm gonna take it to CarMax, see how much they'll give it for me. This should be funny. One of them idiots left their shoe. And it looked like they tried to take the speakers too. They took the cover off. Well, they did take the rear ones. They left the front ones like a bunch of idiots. I don't know. Stupid people. Let's get it cleaned up. Just got done pulling all the trash out in the bed and put the trash out. These are pieces to the car, so I'm gonna leave those in there. This shows how stupid these people really are. Like, I don't know why they just. First it was like the rims. It's like they took my rims off that were all scratched and beat up, and then they put these painted ones on. So I'm like, okay. I need to just leave my old rims on. They weren't even anything special either. Here's all the trash that I pulled out. Shows how stupid these people are. Like, freaking. Oh, a nickel. I'll keep that. Like a freaking. There's like a Mercedes mat in here. Like, where the hell did that come from? This is from my backup camera. They just broke it. I thought they stole it. I found it in the bed all broken. Left their shoes, all these wires to jump the car, a bunch of cans of drinks and coffee cups. It shows how dumb these people are. Well, that's what happens when you do drugs. Don't do drugs. Alright, I'm about to vacuum all this up and hopefully get this smell out. It just smells like cigarettes and meth and all kinds of stuff in there. Nasty. Hopefully I can get that smell out. Okay, after one good vacuum run and a bunch of Clorox wipes later, and got it pretty decent looking. A lot better than it was before. That smell is still kinda here. It's not as bad as it was since I vacuumed it and cleaned all the garbage. So I'm gonna go ahead and Lysol it, the crap out of it, with some Lysol, and I'm gonna close the doors and just let it bake in the sun, and hopefully that'll get rid of the smell. And after that, I'm gonna wash the outside. Look like they went over a ditch. All this dirt. Okay, so I got the wind. I can't do anything about that. But this is it. Cleaned up. Cleaned everything. Washed the bed. Did as best as I could. And you see where they try to paint it to disguise it. Made it look all stupid. I didn't get the smell out completely, but it's a lot better in here now. It just smells like somebody was smoking. It doesn't smell like drugs. A lot more cleaner now. Yeah, I'm about to take it to CarMax. See how much they'll give me for it. See you there. So I took it to CarMax. On the online estimate, they offered me $2,000. And I took it in for an appointment. They went around, test drove it. because of the condition that was stolen. No tires, the column doesn't work, the cluster gauge doesn't work. They offered me $100, which is nothing. I would show you the paper, but I kind of got mad because I was sitting there for 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, 2 hours, waiting so long that I was just like, dude, you could have just told me that from like the beginning, so I wouldn't waste my time. But yeah, they offered me $100. Pretty much got my keys and left. Made it back, watched the Warriors game, and yeah. So right now this truck's for sale, or I have it on Facebook. I'll put a link for anybody who lives out in the Bay Area, Northern California. It's a good running truck, but it does have its problems. I think it'll be best for somebody who needs an engine or parts. Just pull them all out, because it's a really good running truck. Yeah. As for the Camaro, I'm gonna be putting the suspension together. I'm gonna order some more parts as soon as I get rid of this truck. I'll be able to order the suspension parts I need for the truck, for the Camaro. I'm gonna put some rear lower control arms in and redo all the bushings in the front, put a new steering rack in, and pretty much this Camaro's gonna be almost drivable. And then I'm also thinking to do the transmission and clutch. But yeah, after this truck goes, that's when I can start working on the Camaro, and then I'll have something even better, something that'll be better than both of these combined. Till then, next time.